Good morning. This is Dimitri, Beach Life Dimitri. As you know, I'm an advocate for the condo resort lifestyle. And this morning, I will be on site conducting an open house event at the prestigious South Bay properties, ideally situated on the barrier island of Pristine, St. Key. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,200 square foot of spaciousness and versatility, offering a open cuisine, expansive terrace, corner residence, offering a panorama of aquamarine seascapes. And you're invited. That address is 1501 Gulf Boulevard, unit number 107. Price is offered at $925,000. If indeed you're considering selling, feel free to give me a call directly at 727-421-8110 for a copy of my elite marketing plan and the analytics, as our real estate market landscape has changed a bit from a short 12 months ago. Thanks again for the interest in following me. You can follow me at my coordinates at beachlifewithdimitri.com or my YouTube account as well, which is Beach Life with Dimitri. Have a good day. Ciao.